Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and I guess sometimes computer stuff. What I got here is a Toshiba. So, I got a Toshiba here. Let me show you this. That is what it is. Satellite L510. This came in a few weeks ago, and I am saying this does not come alive. And I have plugged it in and tried to charge it, but it would not charge. So it probably won't work. What I want to do though is take the back cover off and, well, we're going to take a look at it. So it seemed to be a nice laptop in the day, except what year is this? Maybe we'll find something on here that'll say what type of day it is. And sorry, still, I do not have my, what are they called? Oh, that one's out. Okay. Oh, there we go. Looks like somebody was in here. This is the, you know what it's called. Oh, my word. Hard drive. Wow. Am I ever not with it today? But let me get all these screws out. Well, first, let's see if I can get this battery out of here too. There's the battery. That'll go into the recycling too. Everything here I do goes back into recycling. There's the battery. Maybe this has a date on it. Let me take a look. No general date on the battery there. I'm just going to try to take this apart. I won't have you suffer through me taking out all the screws. So, I'll come back when I'm able to take the cover off. So I have accomplished to get the keyboard off. So that wasn't that hard. That actually came apart really easy when I took all the screws out of the back. That kind of just peeled up. I did seem to rip something here as I took it off, but I don't think this thing was in working condition anymore. Cute little fan we have there. And let's see. Nope, that's a disk drive. This thing has a disk drive. That's pretty neat. But I would like to get farther into it. So let me continue looking. Now I was able to get the screen off. Yeah, nothing to it really. A lot of plugins everywhere. That's pretty simple. It's nice I didn't destroy anything there. I try not to. What if they want to reuse some of this stuff when they disassemble it? I try not to make it worse. Okay. I don't know. I see a few screws around here. I'll take out. Hopefully I have the right size. Oh yeah. This one screwdriver has been amazing. It's one size fit all. I have a ton of screws there now. Right here. Take that out. There we go. We have anything else? Oh, there is one right here. I don't know if it's relevant to holding down anything here, but I would rather, well, I think it was actually. I'm gonna just unhook these from here. Those don't unhook. Maybe things are held down from the other side too. I'm gonna have to see if I can get the back off. So I have removed the hard drive, 320 WD Scorpio Blue. Yeah. Just seeing if there's a date on here. 2009. So this is probably from 2009. Still haven't gotten her out, or of there yet, but there is our RAM. Oh, I did miss a couple screws. I didn't think I did, but I did. There we go. Still, she's stuck down pretty good. What am I missing here? There's got to be something. There's a screw right there. Wow. I guess I'm just missing. I got a couple of loose screws. Is that the way we say it? Here, let's take this off. Maybe there's something underneath here. And I don't even know what that is, but it was plugged in. Fascinating little laptop though. Actually, it was a big heavy laptop. What am I saying? Hey, is this one sec. Let me see what this is. See, I don't know what this is at all. What is this? A little. No, don't. But it was made in 2009 also. And is that a screw? No, that's not a screw. Is this? No. That's what I get for taking things apart. Okay. Maybe there's something under here. Nope, there is not. Oh, maybe I just had to get it up past. Oh, this. How do I get this out? How do I get it out? I don't know. It's held in by screws, I'm guessing. Well, let me take a better look at her. Well, there we go. I got out the motherboard. It was tough, but I did it. And look at this. This thing wasn't cooling too much anymore. Wow. That was completely covered up. And then I took a strip off of here. Is that brutal or what? Well, let's get a closer look at some of this stuff here. Let's see. Should I unplug this? Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. That is pretty dirty. But it's only dust, right? And I think I already showed you this. Whew. Yeah, she was definitely clogged up. Wow. So, I'm guessing the chip is underneath here. So, let us see how to get that all apart. But before, let us take a look at this RAM here. Oh, that came out nice and easy. So there we go. We have the RAM. Now, what's that say? Not much. Well, this says 2 gigabyte. 2 gigabytes of RAM here? That's it? Yeah. Wow. So, 2 sticks of, what was that, Samsung? Yeah, Samsung RAM. And I believe I just have to take off this screw. Well, we'll see. We'll see as we go here. I'm not getting that screw, am I? But I might be. Okay. I don't have this one on deck. There we go. So it's not too hard. this. Just peels up. There we go. Ooh, that sticky here is still very sticky. That was on this chip here. So that is a pretty small chip, ain't it? Let me get a look at it first here. Well, it says it is an Intel. Let me see here. Intel 06, I don't know. I'm trying to see what this other chip says here. I think this one is, there we go. Hard to see it, but yeah, hard for me to read it with my older eyes, but maybe you can see it in the camera there. Now see, this one is locked down here with a screwdriver. There, I have unlocked it. Oh, there we go. Comes right up. So there we go. Well, that's the chip they use. That is something. Any of this other stuff here, Intel inside here, sure built slightly different than the larger computers we see that are desktop. Parts are quite small on these, and these things are actually quite difficult to get apart. Me, I'm just gonna put it all back together with my whole pile here and stick everything in the recycling, electronics recycling I have here, and let her go like this. They'll use all these parts, they'll redo whatever they do with these things, and they'll take care of it. But yeah, that was a interesting computer laptop from Toshiba, and yeah. But I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this.